guitar playing in the background. Oh wow! Giant millipede. Holy shit. For scale. Nature at its best with my good friends. If this will turn out well. Oh my gosh, I love that you guys are wearing helmets.
Talk about yourself, miss.
Hey, I'm not. That's a beautiful photo. Yeah, they're what?
It's a local source for vitamin C. And it's
Very cheap.
very cheap. You just have to get it.
Oh, you don't even buy it. You
don't
just
even buy
steal it.
You just have to have a courage to steal it. That's I'm struggling with it.
I am on the struggle bus.
Oh my gosh, and something's biting my ass.
It's gotta be that giant millipede.
Is it?
Must be. Maya, why do you love the guava so much?
Because I'm a Filipino.
Jesus. Maya, did they bite your ass?
Don't talk about my ass.
What?
I love your ass, Maya.
You had a nice ass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
nice
I'm very
ass.
violent.
It's like an ass of an asteroid. Ass. What do you mean ass? Asteroid.
Maya, your ass is so big it has a gravitational pull and things want to rotate around it.
Yeah, and it's really nice.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Maya's ass is where I want to be.
You like it?
Girl, I'm filming it.
Oh, fuck you!
Oh, it's okay. On our mopeds.